Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of my viewers. I'm JEDIAEL MALIWAT, a grade 12 student from St. Philomena in College of Immaculate Conception, and I'm here to show you some of the main parts of the cell, the organelles. I make a cell analogy here for us to understand those organelles and its main functions. First to our list is the cell membrane or the wall and gate. Cell membrane or wall and gate. The cell membrane is a biological membrane that protects the cell from its surroundings by separating the interior of all cells from the outside environment. The cell membrane is made up of a lipid bilayer with cholesterol sandwiched between phospholipids to keep it fluid at different temperatures. Membrane proteins include integral proteins that penetrate the membrane and operate as membrane transporters, as well as peripheral proteins that loosely follow to the cell membrane's outer side and act as enzymes molding the cell. The cell membrane regulates the flow of materials into and out of cell and organelles. It allows ions and organic molecules to pass through it selectively. The next is the cytoplasm or the river. Cytoplasm or the gel river. Except for the cell nucleus, the cytoplasm is all of the material within a eukaryotic cell that is surrounded by the cell membrane. The nucleoplasm is the substance inside of the nucleus that is confined within the nuclear membrane. The cytoplasm is made up of three primary components: the cytosol, organelles, and the different cytoplasmic inclusions. The cytoplasm is primarily made up of water and is normally colorless. The next is the nucleus or the control center of the cell. The nucleus or the control center. The cell nucleus stores all of an organism's chromosomal DNA, which is responsible for the organism's whole behavior and appearance. It is also in charge of the body's growth patterns and the correct replication of cells, all of which contribute to species expansion. Given how important a nucleus functions are, it's easy to see why it's called the cell's control center. Here we go for the mitochondrion or the power plants of the cell. Mitochondrion or the power plants. In most eukaryotic species, a mitochondrion is a double membrane-bound organelle. Mitochondrion produce the majority of the cell's adenosine triphosphate or ATP, which is used as a chemical energy source. A mitochondrion is known as the powerhouse of the cell. The next one is the endoplasmic reticulum or the highway system of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum or the highway system. The endoplasmic reticulum is the eukaryotic cell's transportation system, as well as a host of other activities such as protein folding. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are two subunits of this type of organelle. Most eukaryotic cells have an endoplasmic reticulum, which is a network of flattened, membrane-enclosed sacs known as cisternae, and tubular structures. The ER membranes are connected to the outer nuclear membrane. Red blood cells and spermatozoa do not contain the endoplasmic reticulum. The next one is the Golgi apparatus or the post office. Golgi apparatus or the post office. The Golgi apparatus is an organelle found in most eukaryotic cells. It is also known as the Golgi complex, Golgi body, or simply the Golgi. It packages proteins into membrane-bound vesicles inside the cell before they are delivered to their destination, and it is part of the endomembrane system in the cytoplasm. It's located where the secretory, lysosomal, and endocytic roots meet. It contains a collection of glycosylation enzymes that bind various sugar monomers to proteins as they go through the apparatus, making it particularly important in the preparation of proteins for secretion. Second to the last is the lysosome or the recycle area of the cell. The lysosome or recycle area. A lysosome is a digestive enzyme containing membrane-bound cell organelle. Lysosomes play a role in a variety of cellular functions. Excess or worn-out cell parts are broken down by them. They can be used to kill viruses and bacteria that have infiltrated the system. The last part is the vacuole or the water storage tower. Vacuole or water storage tower. A vacuole is a membrane-bound organelle found in plant, fungal, and animal cells, as well as some bacterial cells. Vacuoles are simply confined compartments filled with water containing inorganic and organic molecules in solution, including enzymes, though they may also include solids that have been submerged in some situations. Vacuoles are simply larger versions of membrane vesicles generated by the fusion of several membrane vesicles. The organelle has no fixed shape or size. Its structure changes depending on the cell's needs. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you finally understand the cell organelle.